Hello everyone, welcome to Power Electrics. Today we will start the basic electrical crash course of Odisha Joint Entrance Examination for lateral entry tech. If you have not subscribed yet, then subscribe my channel and watch till end. So today we will start the concept. Today's lesson is concept of source and load. Now source is where source means energy source. Here in electrical, source means energy source. This source develops from electrical machine like generator. Next, classification of source. Source is classified into two types, independent source and dependent source. Here, independent source is again divided into two types, voltage source and current source. Again, voltage source and current sources are divided into two types, ideal voltage source and practical voltage source, ideal current source and practical current source. Then, dependent sources are classified into or divided into four categories, triple CS, double CBS, BCBS and BCCS. Here, triple CS, current controlled current source, current controlled voltage source, voltage controlled voltage source, voltage controlled current source. Now discuss about independent sources. Independent sources are those sources they are not depends on other sources. These sources are not depends on other sources. Like example, any voltage source. If one voltage source 5 volt voltage source is connected in a circuit, then this voltage source is independent. That means this voltage source is not depends on any current source or any voltage sources. नेक्स्ट आइडियल वोल्टेज सोर्स. आइडियल वोल्टेज सोर्स के बारे में क्वेश्चन क्वेश्चन कॉम्पिटिटिव में आता है और तुम्हारा जो एंट्रेंस एग्जाम है ओजेई का उसमें भी 1 2 3 क्वेश्चन आता है हर साल. तो इसीलिए इसका कंसेप्ट जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है. देखो ये एक वोल्टेज सोर्स है, आइडियल वोल्टेज सोर्स, और ये टर्मिनल वोल्टेज, ये लोड का टर्मिनल वोल्टेज प्लस माइनस, ये है आई करंट फ्लो हो रहा है इस सर्किट में. इट हैज जीरो इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस. दिस इज ए डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन. द आइडियल वोल्टेज सोर्स हैव डैश रेजिस्टेंस, जीरो रेजिस्टेंस और इन्फिनिटी रेजिस्टेंस, ऐसे क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. तो आइडियल वोल्टेज सोर्स का इट्स आइडियल, दैट मीन्स देयर इज नो वोल्टेज ड्रॉप इन बिट अक्रॉस द voltage source, so there is zero internal resistance, Ri equal to 0. Then terminal voltage is same as the source voltage due to there is no resistance occur in between the voltage source and terminal voltage. That's why there is no voltage drop occur in between the voltage source and terminal voltage. So due to this is a pure parallel connection, so terminal voltage is same as the source voltage. Next, practical voltage source. This is a diagram of practical voltage source. This is practical voltage source. This voltage source contain, practical voltage source contain internal resistance, because this is practical. Due to it is practical, it is contain, this voltage source contain one internal resistance, and this internal resistance possesses the voltage drop. The terminal voltage is less than the source voltage. Here, due to one resistance is here, so the terminal voltage is not same as the source voltage, and the internal resistance is not equal to 0. Due to internal resistance having some value, so its value is not equal to 0. Now, ideal current source. Load current is same as source current. Here, load current is same as source current. That means IL equal to IS. This is source current IS. This is load current. The current flowing through the load is known as load current. The source current and load current is almost same. Each is purely same because there is no path to divide the current. That's why the source current is same as the load current. Internal resistance is infinity. Here, the internal resistance is not present in this circuit. That's why if the internal resistance is present, then this will present in this area or this terminal, AB terminal, and due to the internal resistance is not present in between this AB terminal, that's why it is open circuited. In open circuit or in AR, the resistance will be infinity. Next, practical current source. In practical current source, the source current having an internal resistance, and the load current. Here the load current is not same as the source current, because one path is here to divide the current, to divide the source current. So the load current is not same as the source current. The load current is less than the source current, and internal resistance is not zero. Here internal resistance having some value, that's why the internal resistance is not equal to 0 or not equal to infinity. Now move to the dependent sources. This is the diagram of figure 1, figure 2, figure 3, figure 4. The figure 1 shows the current controlled current source. Figure 2 shows the current controlled voltage source. Figure 3 shows the voltage controlled voltage source, and figure 4 shows the voltage controlled current source. Here KI2, this is voltage control, this is current control current source. That means it is a current source. This dependent source, it is a current source but dependent on another current source. That's why it's called as current controlled current source. It is a current source but it is depends on another current. Then current control voltage सोर्स. वोल्टेज सोर्स देखो, ये एक वोल्टेज सोर्स है, ये एक करंट सोर्स है. ये राइट साइड में जो है ये डिनोट करता है ये कौन सा सोर्स है. ये एक वोल्टेज सोर्स, ये एक करंट सोर्स. देखो ये भी एक करंट सोर्स है. The last two digits shows shows it is a which type of source. देखो this is double CVS, current control voltage source. That means it is a voltage source but it depends on the factor of a current, another factor of a current. Then voltage control voltage source, it is a voltage source but it depends on the another voltage source. Next, voltage control current source, it is a current source but it depends on another voltage. This is all about the concept of current source. Now next move to the concept of a load. There is three types of load: resistive load, inductive load and capacitive load. And resistive load, inductive load and capacitive load. Next, in another way we can say load is classified into two types: light load and power load. Light load and power load. This class is completed. Now next class we will discuss more and revise the today's lesson, and also discuss more in your syllabus. आपका सिलेबस में इसके बाद कंसेप्ट ऑफ सोर्स के बाद जो ओम्स लॉ है, केसीएल केवीएल है, उसके बारे में नेक्स्ट क्लास में डिस्कस करेंगे. और आज के क्लास में क्या हम पढ़े हैं, उस जो लेसन आज हम पढ़ चुके हैं उसको भी रिवाइज करेंगे. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.